I'll show you how to add products and categories and how to manage multiple sizes. First, from the main screen, click on My Menu. If the category you need isn't already there, then click on Create Category. Give the name over here. For example, nail product. Then click on Save. You don't need to give anything else, just the name, then save. Okay. Now to add a product, click on Create Product. Give your product a name. Then select the appropriate category. Enter the price in the sell price column. You can also add cost or VAT if you want, or you can just keep them empty. Now, if your product comes in multiple sizes, for example, a shampoo bottle that's available in 100 ml, 250 ml, and 500 ml, you will want to handle this a little differently. Click on My Menu, then Create Product. First, set a base price in the sell price column. Usually, the price of the smallest size or a reference price is given. Then, on the table to the right, enter the name of each size and its price individually. You can add as many sizes as you want. For example, 100 ml, 50. Select the category also. Here you can give the name in other languages if you want. Now I will reload. Select hair care, shampoo bottle. Now as you can see, multiple sizes have been added in my collection. I can just click on them to select it individually.